Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's update our view on the forex market. As we said, despite that market stands in around the strong support area, as in the euro currency on the cable, we have agreed to not hurry up too much with stepping in immediately. Although on Great British Pound we see some downside continuation, but it brings no hazard by far those of you who already have taken a long position, because downside action relatively small in the scale of the daily time frame. But that's just another time proving that it would be better, especially when you have so strong downside momentum. You have bearish signs on the other markets. In such environment, it's always better to wait for a clear bullish pattern by two reasons. First of all, if everything will be good, you will get great entry with a relatively tight stop. Second, if everything will go bad, your loss will be minimum because you will take the position on the intraday charts with some small pattern with the tight standing stops. And pattern on our side is always an advantage. So currently on the daily chart, you could see that in general nothing is going on. So the market's gradually moving lower. So yesterday's session also was to the downside, and market actually stands inside of this wide support weekly area that I mentioned yesterday. Our result stands even below this area, around 108.20 area today. So market easily could fluctuate around it, even keep going lower and so on. Very important thing that personally I don't like to is performance of the dollar index and the 10-year bonds. If you take a look at today's performance, it has changed. Mutual performance has changed. So if on the dollar index we do not see any pullbacks, market just keep going higher. No signs of retracement or something. On a 10-year bond, you can see some pullback. Yes, pullback is not very strong, it is relatively small, but the fact of different action in opposite direction of the dollar and of the bonds means that investors are buying dollars and bonds together. Usually, dollar is rising when the yield is rising. But here you could see a bit different dynamic. And the gold market right now also is moving higher. It means that something is going on in the geopolitical sphere. We do not know what it is, but recently a few events have happened, and they might be some whole picture of the global politics, which is changing. Some really some unexpected statements have been made yesterday, so it could just tell that something is going on. We just do not know about this, but the big players on the market, especially on the government bonds, definitely knows that. And this is another reason why we should, stay calm and do not trying to foresee further changes, trying to catch the falling knife, as usually traders talk about the dropping market. On lower time frame on the follow time frame chart, actually we also do not have anything. With such a pace of the downside action, now 108 area doesn't seem so impossible, right? As it was somewhere in the beginning of this downside action. Downside action is slowing down a bit, but still it is straightforward. And here personally I do not see any bullish signs. So another reason why we think why we should sit on the hands and see what will happen. On the hourly chart, the same story. Just we talked about the possible hand shoulders here, right? So that might be left shoulder and its head. And if you measure the extension, so 127 extension already has been tested. Now market is going to our next area, which is around 108.40 that we have discussed. 166, sorry guys. So 86 and 66. So let's see, maybe some reaction will happen on this level. Trend line has appeared here and it's not broken yet. All this stuff tells that, just confirms the same thing. No bullish signs by far. We need to see what will happen. On Great British Pound, approximately the same story. So take a look at the daily chart. Yes, market showing some downside tick here, downside drop, but all stuff around stands around the same lows and it's just started testing 130 area. On intraday charts, you could see that here on the 4-time frame chart, we need to see what will happen. Maybe it might become the part of some reversal pattern, or it will be some kind of the wash and rinse of the previous lows or something. Because market's still in the confluence. At this point, it is not a good idea to take a new shorts position. So downside breakout, yes, it might be changing of the sentiment. Besides, you can see on the Great British Pound oversold, stands very close 129.20 area. So from daily scale point of view, this all stuff stands very close, and this is the whole solid support area that we're considering right now. So as a bottom line, guys, currently on the daily chart we have nothing to do but wait, because thrusting action to the downside stands strong. On intraday charts we do not have any signs of the reversal by far. So, but usually such a background that we have, particular on the dollar index, with this thrusting action that we have, the same on the euro currency with the great thrusting action, usually provides good trading backgrounds sooner or later, but that probably will happen. Let's keep watching. Maybe retail sales report and the European Central Bank statement might make some impact on the overall situation.